Let me go to grids. What are grids? Grids are very cool features that you can use. Okay, let me just bring one light up. Use this. Okay, then you can go to your photos and can drag in pictures. Like I said, if you want to edit, you double click, you drag, and that click out. Grid are just means of bringing maybe different photos, combining multiple images. So double click, you drag it out. There you have it. With the image, you can just add the image looks. You do that. You can just add the image look. You can increase the brightness. You can decrease the brightness rather. You can increase the brightness. You can reduce the contrast. Increase the contrast. About saturation. I will not advise you play with this, but you can play with them if you know what you're doing. Alright, then you can also copy this filter code. It's very important. Let's say I decrease the brightness of this image, I increase the contrast, decrease the brightness. Now, and I want this also. I want this picture to have the same feel, to have the same look. I can just paste it right there, and there you have it. Okay, let me reset this. Just reset. Then crop. That's when you double click. Then you can flip the image horizontal. You can flip it vertical. Then spacing, font. The spacing between those grids, just play around. If you want them to be close, you can duplicate this grid. You have 3 grids, you can duplicate this. Okay, that duplicates everything, and just delete that. Can position into top. You can increase the transparency. You can add link and you can lock. So that's that for grid. Now let's see. Go back to elements and let's see charts. Chart, as the name suggests, you already know what that is. We want to add a bar chart. This is also a bar chart, a line chart, a pie chart, and so on. You want to add this. Just click it and to show right up, and you can change the colors. You want the black there to be brown. You want it to be, and just change the colors. You want this color to be this. You want the blue ones to be white. Just play around with the colors. Okay, this is the outline. You want to give it an outline color. So the outline. You can flip it around you can crop it. So that's that. You can duplicate position, can reduce the brightness. So there are a lot of charts here you can use, so just make use of them as if you need them. Alright, let's jump back right in. Okay, frames. What are frames? Frames are like grids, but they are different. They are scalable. You can scale them. When it's grid, the moment you drop a photo inside, okay, let's try it. You can only try and move the photo around. You can't resize this itself. You can only try to move the photo around. When it comes to grid, you won't be able to resize the container. But when it comes to frames, you can resize them. Okay, that's that. Okay, and this is a very good mock-up. You can just use a mock-up and just drag a photo of this working. You can resize, you can change the colors. Black ones, you can make it white, though it doesn't make any sense. You can make it green, just change the color as you like. And don't forget, you can always undo. Alright, let's jump back to elements. Then that's it for frames. You can check them out. There are a lot of frames here. Okay, we have letter frames as well, where you can just, okay, let's see. Yep, that's like a creepy mask in Photoshop. That looks good. You can scale it. That looks great. Alright, let's jump back to elements. Just check them out. There are lots of them. Alright, stickers. You already know what that is, so I won't spend more time on that. Just know that you can crop it, enlarge it, and resize, transparency. So just play around with it. Alright, back to elements. So shapes, let's see what shape is. Just like the name suggests, there are shapes, and there are a lot of shapes there. If you need them, just this shape, any shape that you need. It's right there, insert, and that's it. So you use shape, frames. These are the most used ones. Frames, shapes, and stickers. And you can use gradients. ingredients, this like painting. Let me do this. You should be able to resize this as well. Okay, let me just try and do something cool. Yeah, that's the background.